about this one. And this is the trash. The one I like most. From $35. The one I like the most. Hey young fam, welcome back to our channel. And today guys, we're headed a lot of places today, but for sure I'm gonna try and get a new frame. I think I have this for 5 years now. I think I got it just about before Cara was born. I think when I just came here, babe, came on, I think we're gonna start out a pair of glasses. Purple is my favorite color, but small frame now wear again. Dudes, comment down below. What type of glasses do you think I should get for these beautiful eyes that can't see no more? Hello?
Find out.
We can't see no more to the eye them people. Long story short, I'm the only one of like my half sibling should wear glasses. But of my four other immediate siblings, only me alone wear glasses. Same mother, same father, me alone wear glasses. The thing about it, guys, here's how I got my glasses. My first pair of glasses. When I just left university, I started working at an insurance company, and it was mandatory for you to do some salesman exams. So guys, me study day in day out. When me I walk go to work, me study. When me I walk go back, me study. I realized that after the exam, and I looked up and I was walking and trying to read the billboard, the things were blurry. I'm like, oh my god, I got so frightened, and I went to eye doctor or the ophthalmologist, and they prescribed a glass for me. I know that I didn't need glasses initially, and they should have just told me to, my eyesight is not that bad and I should just exercise my eyes, etc. Was when I went back the second time and they were checking my frame, and I was like, no man, your eyes are not bad, man, you don't need glasses. But because I wore glasses, my eyes became dependent on them. So my eyes became very dependent on them. So no, I wear glasses only when I drive, because I can see, especially near distances, but the far distances is my thing. So what do I call that? Farsighted. So I'm okay near distances, but farsighted, I can still see everything. It's not like it's blurry and I can't see. I can see, but I probably can't see the license plate. But I can see the vehicle driving next to me. I can see the man. I can see everything. Just that, it's not 2020. But I just ensure that I wear my glasses anyways when I drive. That's the only time I wear my glasses. But today, guys, I'm gonna get a nice pair of glasses to match my eyes. Cute, yeah. So come along with me. I think it's about time to change these. I'm still gonna wear these sometimes, but I need a new pair, right? So yes, people, comment down below if you wear glasses, and if so, for how long have you worn glasses for? So yes guys, come on a bit. One stop. I'm gonna look for my glasses. And we're going downtown too. So if I don't see vision eyewear, if I don't find something over there, and this is the only eye place up here earlier,
You were looking at, so that's the only one you saw.
So guys, this is my third pair of glasses, and I'm going big or I'm going home. I intend to choose something that I've never worn before, something that goes against what I would ordinarily pick. So guys, comments down below, let me know which one is your favorite pair of glasses.
Guys, I'm gonna set to no right here so while me look. Leo, what do you think about this? This is cute. I think this is cute. And it's a first glasses. But I wonder if this is very cute, but I'm wondering if it is free. Tell me, glasses number 1. What do you guys think? Leo, what do you think about this? Glasses number 2, babe. I don't know, somebody have a nice selection put down. It's different. This one a little heavier than the first. Where is it? Waiting. You think so? And the same thing as the first one, the same goal. I like them there, they're cute. I want something we feel like I know glasses, you see. Do you understand? I want something look fashionista. Yes. Yes. That's it. So I see many more over there, so I'm gonna check them. Over this or the first one, which one you prefer?
Probably the first one.
Alright. I like this one. Let me take up my one. Let me take up the first one. The first one? Just in case. I don't see nothing else when I like. Let me put this over there. Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Babe.
Hello.
What do you think about this? I like them because they look like fashion glasses. So, yeah. Babe. You like this, babe? What do you think about this? No bright green. So no for Leo, alright? What me really love the gold is just that these are more firm. These are more firm. Like these are what I'm used to. What about this, Leo? I don't feel like how I'm feeling in the gold one them.
No, those ones look like glasses.
But it's not bad.
No.
This is not bad at all, guys. Am I in love? No, I prefer the first gold one them. I think the first one and the third one, but this is not bad. This is a good option. This is not bad. It's not bad at all. Am I in love? No, I prefer the first two, but this is not bad at all. I'm going to show Leo, making tell me what you think. Leo, what do you think about this one?
Not bad.
It's not bad. When I'm not in love with it, like the first two, but it's not bad. Don't Leo?
No, it's not bad.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Yeah, but it's not better than the other one.
It's not better, but it's not bad. This one too round. Don't. This one is a no. This is too round. Guys, this is another option. I don't know if it's too small. And you have the purple thing when I like. I don't know, guys. I just don't know what's it. No. Eh? No, babe. They said this don't look bad, guys. Comment down below, let me know. This cute, babe. I love this one. Isn't this cute, babe?
Yeah, look nice.
It just like the coloring on the side, but it's cute. I like it. It's not bad, and it feel more firm, Leo. It feel more firm than the others. So it's a good option. Them have really good glasses. Alright, let's see. I'll put them back when we're done. Don't want this basic. The way I think about this. Basic.
What's the matter? Go right in the baby.
It look bad for you. Look
Choose
cute.
the best one I want.
Look cute. It's not bad. Looks cute. Alright, guys, do not put helmet shoes. This is another one. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I like this. Oh, but the price, I'm going to put it back. I think I like this one. Real good. Real good. This is too small. Put in this one. Leo, what do you think about this one? And Mom, you see the price? The one I like most. $35. The one I like the most. I don't think you can get this one. It's cute though.
How much I will.
Mr. Some more man. I forgot look but to me they had eliminate and I put back and I said this is the one I like the most. No wonder why, you see guys? I fall in love with the dearest one. Yep. The dearest one. Let me see if I can find the dearest one look alike. Is this the dearest one look alike? Let's see. Let me see the one where I like the most. Versus yes. Alright, so look at this. Now look on this. This is the one where I go for. I think this frame my face better. This I go for. But this is $535. This is $380. This is just a little bit bigger, I think, at the top. And I want to frame my face more, but it's not bad. What do you think? More.
Let me see the other one. That's not the other one.
This are the cheaper version, $280. So guys, tell me, you guys This one look like something more that ordinarily go for. It's cute, ordinary go for this. Or this. At this media, so I go for still. If they can work with me, what I want to do is show them a lengths and get the same lengths in this. If not, I'll go with this. Leah said it's cute, despite the color. So guys, I think I'm like showing in the lights. Comment down below, what do you guys think? I'm gonna get the transition and the clear on it. So glass is over $600 or $600. I just want to try something that I don't ordinarily try. I think this is it. I think I'll feel comfortable wearing this, dressing up, going out. What do you guys think? Dorkers! That blind man. No touching nothing, sit down. I would say something not as dark. Try this one, even on this.
None of it.
So yes guys, I got the I chose my frame. You guys will see it when I start wearing it, but I have to set an appointment sometime in May to get, you know, tested, my eyes tested. So I chose the frame, the habit. I'm gonna get my eyes tested, and then they're gonna put the prescription and the transition and everything on it.
I really would like to thank the staff at Vision Wear for being patient, understanding, and really polite. Thanks again, Vision Island.
And the reason why I like this about this is that you can't tell that it's not a sports glass. It looks like it's really nice, and it looks like a sports glass. You babe?
Yeah, it does.
It looks like a sports glass. So that's why I really like this one. My usual glasses, they can look funny and it's a looking glass. But that glass, it looks like a sports glass, and it's real nice. I forgot the brand though, because I'm gonna choose this. I think a FENDI or FENDI or something. Is it? I think a FENDI.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, that's the section I'm gonna see,
Yeah. But yeah. Can't wait to get my new glasses, people. Alright, so guys, we're gonna try out al fresco. Also then have snapper. Yes, me want no fish though. Oh, they have goat. Alright, that's nice. But me take a curry goat then instead, Leo. Yeah.
We are large stew chicken and large burger.
Yeah, take stew chicken.
Yeah, stew chicken.
This is what the curry goat looks like. You see? Leo put down chicken. It looks like what do you call it, Leo? Not brown stew, but
Thank you.